Isang bagong yugto ang binubuksan para sa football community sa Pilipinas matapos ang pagbubukas ng isang makabagong football park sa MOA Sky. Isang espasyong lalo magpapalapit sa pangarap ng mga atleta. Ang detalye sa ulat ni teammate JB Junio.
Sinong mag-aakala na sa taas ng mall ay may isang world-class na football pitch ang ngayon sumasalubong sa mga mall-goers. Ang bagong football park sa MOA Sky ay itinayo ayon sa international standards at dinisenyo hindi lang para sa mga profesional na atleta, kundi para na rin sa mga grassroots talents na may malaking pangarap. Higit pa sa isang lugar para makapaglaro, itinatampok ng pasilidad ang pag-angat ng football culture sa bansa. Isang espasyo kung saan hinuhubog ang disiplina, husay at pagmamahal sa sport. Malaki ang papel ng football park na ito bilang bagong tahanan ng Philippine National Women's Football Team kung saan ito ang magiging sandalan nila para maghasa ng kakayahan at maghanda para sa mga susunod na international competition. Sa panayam ng PTV Sports sa Brand Communication Manager ng Adidas na si Gabby Dario, ibinahagi niya kung ano ang kinaibahan ng football park na ito kumpara sa ibang field na nasa bansa.
I think what's great about this venue is, it's in partnership with our partners at SM Super Malls. We know that they have this really great venue. It's the first FIFA certified rooftop field in Southeast Asia. So of course, that in itself is a big deal. What we also liked about the venue is that it's also very accessible, not just to football players or people that, use the field for different sports, but also to mall goers, to get people curious with the space, with what they can do here. What's great is also that it's managed by Play 300, which of course is very close to our partners, BFF. So it was just, all of these things coming together, making it a perfect place for us. And as you guys might know, we also have a football store located right across the field. So it's a great venue for shoppers, for athletes, and mall goers alike.
Dagdag pa ni Dario, nais nilang mas makilala pa ang football at magkaroon ng mas malawak na recognition ng sport sa buong Pilipinas.
Yeah, definitely we believe in growing the sport and, with spaces like these that give credibility to the sport, that make it also very accessible for people to get interested in not just football but other field sports as well. I think it's really important that, we brand these kinds of sporting venues to give it also our own credibility so that we can activate here with like the Filipinas, possibly even hold events and tournaments open to others in the future. But for now, we're really happy with, how we've branded it, and we hope this also helps put the location on the map.
Ang pagbubukas ng pasilidad na ito ay simbolo ng pag-asenso ng football community sa Pilipinas at kasabay nito ay ang pag-usbong ng modernisasyon pagdating sa Filipino sports. Sa pagbubukas ng panibagong football park dito sa Mall of Asia sa Pasay City, panibagong avenue naman ito para sa buong football community ng bansa. JB Junio para sa Atletang Pilipino para sa Bagong Pilipinas.